Yes, sir.
You are inside the room only, no?
Sir, could you give me 5 minutes?
Satvik?
Sir, give me 5 minutes.
Sir,
I'll
your
turn
network
on
is
my
a bit
camera.
bad, sir.
Okay, fine, all right. Fine, Satvik, I'll give 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Shriyanvi, on your camera. So last class, any doubts you are having, Vivek or anybody of you? Polynomials, we are doing extra questions. Do anyone having doubt till now?
No doubt, sir.
Polynomials, no doubts, right? Okay, few more questions. I'll just want to give it right now. So quadratic, you are not having quadratic equation and all you are having? No, you are not having quadratic equations, right? You are not having quadratic equations and all,
No,
right? Vivek, you're not having, no? So coordinate, polynomials, Heron's formula, number system. Shall I give Heron's formula questions?
Yeah, sir.
Because Heron's formula is each chapter and we do Heron's formula extra questions. Okay, extra questions.
Okay.
One question I'll give from NCERT only. One question is that you just, if you solve, then I'll just one question is this one.
Sir, you're not presenting, sir.
Yeah, I'm presenting now. 1 minute. This is a very easy question. I'm just presenting right now. Share screen. Yeah. See this. Can you do this question, all of you? Find the cost of laying the grass. The rectangular field of side 50, 65, and 65, 65. क्या बना लिया? Satvik, how to find this?
So we have to use Heron's formula. So we have to do 50 plus 65 plus 65 by 2 and use the semi-perimeter and calculate the root.
Okay.
Sir, I'm getting it as 10500.
Okay, 10500. I have solved also, just show you once. Can you see this?
Yeah,
105. Sir. Same answer you're getting, right?
Yeah, sir.
Fine. All of you just see this question, children. First of all, you have to find the semi-perimeter. The semi-perimeter is a plus b plus c by 2. So side a, b, c are the sides. So 65 plus 65 plus 50 by 2, and then 180 by 2. That is 90. Okay. So these are the semi-perimeters. Then a, b, c. A is 65, B is also 65, and C is 50. So area is equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. So anyone having doubt in this, Satvik? Satvik,
I'm not having doubts, sir.
No, sir.
all right. Pulastya, you got the answer?
Yes.
So very important question I'm asking right now. Okay. Very important question. That is 1 minute. One question is very this question. Question number 5th. Question number 5th. See question number 5th. Can you do, all of you? The first of all, you should find the area, normal area, by the formula, right? So area of can find the here parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is double of triangle, right? Area of parallelogram is what? Double of triangle, right? So area of parallelogram we understood, right? Area of parallelogram is 3 into 3, 2 into, that is 90 centimeters square. And then 180 is what? Double of this, because this parallelogram, this triangle divided into 2 equal halves, right, Pulastya? So area is equal to what? 180 centimeters square. So now you find by any method, either you find by this one, Heron's formula, or you find by area of parallelogram, like base into height, this formula. Answer will be same only. So 180 is the area of parallelogram. So 12 into height. Base we know 12, and height we have to find, correct? Is it clear to everyone? Sai Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, it's clear.
Clear, sir.
All right, fine. Next one is, any more questions? One question was very, very important. I am not able to find that. 1 minute. All of you do this question number 3rd here. I have given the homework long back. Question number 3rd, all of you do. Question number 3rd.
Yes, sir. This question I had doubt, sir.
You had doubt.
Long ago, I asked once, but I forgot.
You asked once, to whom you asked?
Sir, I asked you only, sir. But I didn't know the question properly.
Okay, but I given the homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Anyone able to solve this? Vivek, you can do this question.
Yeah, sir, I'm doing.
Okay, fine. Pulastya, can you do this question?
Okay, I'll do it.
From the point of interior of a equilateral triangle, perpendiculars are drawn on three sides. Perpendicular is drawn, Satvik. Perpendicular is drawn from A also, B also, and C also. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
perpendicular is drawn is what we call, which triangle is this?
Sir, right angle.
Okay. ADC is right angle triangle, right? Like that, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So
sir.
length of the perpendicular is 14, 10, and 6. So find the area of triangle. How to find the area of this triangle? How to find, Vivek? How you are finding this?
Sir, like I am doing like I'm doing separating it like in equations, and I'm doing, sir, like first I'm finding the area of triangle OAB and OBC and OAC, like that.
OAB, then OAC.
Yeah.
Okay. So OAB, if you're taking OAB, so base you also don't know, height also you don't know. How you are just doing that?
Like keeping a variable AB into OP like that. And check.
Okay. But both you don't know. Height also you don't know, and the base also you don't know. Correct?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Pulastya, you just think. Okay, fine, Vivek. How you are finding, do that. How you just let me know.
Yes.
Pulastya, can you do this? Just tell me you can do it or not. Can you hear me, Pulastya?
Yes, I'm trying to do it.
Okay, fine. Wait a minute. Try to understand whether you are able to understand this or not. See, first of all, okay, first of you do, then just try. Okay. First you do what you are doing, that's to see first. Same way you are doing, Vivek.
The same method, sir.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
For some reason, I got 60 divided by 2. Wait, I'll just try. Wait, I'll just. Oh, okay.
What plus there?
Nothing. I just made a mistake in the fractions.
Okay. So OAB is half base into height. Half is 14 here. How here half is 14? Vivek, here 14 is mentioned. So OAB, if you see OAB from this triangle, there is no 14 over here, right? Some different diagram should be there for this, right?
Yeah, sir, this diagram is wrong, I think.
That's why. Without diagram is wrong. That's why we can't make like this, no? If from a point interior triangle, perpendiculars are drawn on the three sides. The length of perpendicular are 14. But as per question, see, as per question, look, diagram is correct only. See, The length of perpendicular R. Perpendicular means A to D, right? Wait, if you draw another diagram, what will be there? OA means if you take one triangle, interior of a particular triangle, the from a point on in the interior of a single triangle. Okay, from interior they have mentioned this one, Vivek. These are the perpendiculars, not this way. Okay, this part is wrong. Understood? See what they've given the question. Children, try to understand what they're given here. Question is not like this. See, this is your triangle, right? Try to understand here. So they have given here from a point in the interior of equilateral triangle. Means interior means inside this equilateral triangle, this point, right? From this point you are drawing the perpendicular. Understood what I'm saying?
Yeah, sir.
From this point we have drawn this. Got it? So this part is
Yes.
completely wrong, because here perpendicular drawn from A to D. This is wrong. They have given, I have not read this part. From a point is mentioned over here, right? The from a point, when inside any point is there inside the triangle, from that point the perpendiculars are 14, and then it is given 1 minute. 14 you just write here 14, then 10 is just latest, this one 10, and this one is 6. Okay, now you can do, I think now you just put the point or this dotted line over here. Here also put dotted line, here also put dotted line. The half base into height directly you can use, correct? Understood, Sairati, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, understanding.
Shriyanvi, is it
So
clear?
what did we assume the base to be?
Base ABC you let here. Suppose OAB is there, not the AB. Suppose this is A, this one is B, this one is C. Okay.
So BC will be base.
No, see the triangle, Satvik, Sairatvik. This is middle is O. No, the first we are taking which triangle? See here. I'm just drawing with 3 different colors. I'll draw here. This is the first OAB triangle. This one. Okay. So this is OAB part. Understood? Try to understand this way. It's clear, Sairatvik. Now second part is OAC. So this is OAC. This is OAC. Understood, Satvik? Sairatvik? Now you try to understand how you make it.
Yes, sir, I'll try it. I understood the concept.
And next one is this part. 3 parts I have made over here. Now you try to compare. This one is control set here. So this part is your green. So green part you can do here itself. The green part is your OBC, right? OBC is here, see. OAC is, OBC is this one. This part is OBC. And then this part is your OAC, no? This part is OAC. Now 3 parts is given in front of you only. You can just see here. The whole triangle is, what is the whole triangle? Whole triangle is divided into 3 parts. Okay. OAB, OAC, and OBC. So these 3 parts you just find. And this is, they are given here equilateral triangle. It means that this is whole thing is AAA, right? If this is equilateral triangle, the whole side is what? All sides are equal, no? So we are finding by, so whole area, if you find, that is 15A square is coming, right? So this area and this area should be equal to, both are same, right?
Yes, sir.
If you do by that, 15A should be equal to what? 1 minute. Triangle ABC area you are getting at, area of triangle ABC, 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 means 7A. 5a and 3a is coming. So 15a centimeter square. This is the area of total this thing. So what is a you are getting from here? 20 root 3 a value. To put the a value in this, so what do you get? 15 into 20 root 3 whole square. That is root 3 by 4 into 20 root 3 into 20 root 3. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. That's it. So here is fine. Anywhere doubt?
No, sir.
No doubts.
Okay, fine. Now, Satvik, it's clear to you how to do this.
Yes, sir.
For me, it's also clear, sir.
Okay. So this was the main question only we should understand. Question only was wrong. No, that's why we can't do that. This is perpendicular is given from a point inside the triangle, right? Next question is fourth one. The perimeter of isosceles triangle is 32 centimeter. The ratio of the sides, equal side to its base, is 3:2. Find the area of triangle. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 32 centimeter. The ratio of this equal side to its base is 3:2. Find the area of the triangle. So this one is very easy question, nothing to do in this, right? This is damn easy, no? All of you just see the question only and tell me the answer, direct answers. Okay, only you see the question and find the area of the triangle.
Sir, 32 into root 2 centimeters square.
32 root 2 centimeter square.
Yes.
Okay. 1 minute. Correct. 32 root 2. Everyone got the same answer, children? All of you?
Yeah, sir.
So the question which I'm asking right now is also easy only, but you should understand the perimeter of the rectangular field. Do this question now. See this question. The cost of laying grass.
So which question is it the perimeter one?
What? Which question is this?
Is it this one, sir, the perimeter triangular field?
Yeah, perimeter of the triangular field is 240
Okay, sir, I'll do the
meters.
question.
If two sides is given, so find the length of the altitude of the side of 50
Yes, I
meter
got the
length.
question.
This is very easy actually question. If you know the concept, you can do. See, Vivek, just after getting the answer, just in the chat box, you write the answer. Okay, don't tell in everyone.
Yeah, okay.
So that I'll understand who is getting, who is not getting. I want answer from everyone, children. Question number 2. I'm not going to
Okay.
show the answer first. All of you just participate in answering.
Sir, I sent you the answer.
What?
Sir, I sent you the answer.
Okay, fine. Anyone else? Yeah,
I'm
answer is
still doing
correct.
it.
Okay, fine. Yeah, your answer is correct, Vivek.
Yeah, okay, sir.
I should give one harder one question to you. Then only 1 minute. One bit harder question I'll ask you, Vivek, now. Okay. In which you may stuck. See, those who had done, then you can attempt the other questions. Okay, 1 minute. We will do this question. The parallel sides of a trapezium 77 and 60 meters, and north parallel sides are 26 and 25. Find the area of trapezium. Only one answer I got. The perimeter of rectangular field. What side, Ritvik? You're not getting this answer.
No, sir.
Plus, there 2 into what is saying here? 2 into 33.6. What is this? 2 comma you're saying. 2 times. Plus there.
I just wrote question 2. I by mistake wrote that. It's just the answer is just the.
Achha, 33.6 is the answer you're saying, right?
That's what I got.
No, answer is 67.2. Just double of this. Plus there, check.
Oh, I think I missed a by 2 somewhere. I'll just check.
Half base into height. I think you based into height. How you have done, I don't know. Semi perimeter you got 120, right? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So after doing this, area of triangle is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 1.
Yes, it is the double. I made it half by mistake.
Okay.
I'll do the next one.
Yeah, you can start next one then. If you have done this, you can start next one. Said, you understanding this answer or not? See what is given here.
Understood, sir.
S is 120. This is the Heron's formula.
So we just substitute, I mean, we transposed it, right, sir?
No, half base into height. We are doing by the other formula also, right?
Yes, sir.
Find the length of altitude. See, the triangle is like this, okay? So find the length of altitude of the side 50 meter. Length from its opposite vertex. This is 50 meter, okay? And this length you should find. This height is there, this you should find. Okay, Saritvik.
Okay, sir, understood. So
So
the
here is
area.
78 and here is 50. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this side, this is the height. So this is 50. Okay. And then this one is 78. And you can take anything. 78, 50, and what is this? 7, 5, 12, 128. 240 minus 128, what do you get?
180.
112. 112, no?
Yes, sir, 112.
Yeah. So now the area you do by this one, Heron's formula. And then
Then we
half,
just transpose it to the other side.
then not transpose, half base into height, you know, base already is given, that is 50.
Yes, sir.
And height you have to find, it's easy only, no? So,
Okay, sir, understood.
so half base into height is nothing but what? The area by
25.
the area by Heron's formula. You're finding that same only will come. 25. Which 25 you're saying?
So half into base is 25. So we height
Why
is
you-
equal to
why-
area by 25.
Why base you are doing that one? 25, 50 only. No, base is whole thing is 50 only. No, Saritvik.
Yes, sir, but it's half into base into height, right?
Yeah, 25 you're saying. Fine.
Yes, sir. So I took that and divided it under the area.
Okay. So half base into height is equals to 120, 70, 42. Right here, this in root, then h is equal to, you can write whatever it is. Multiply by 2 and divide by b. Correct. 2 into whatever the answer will get. One, what is the answer we're getting, Vivek, for this one?
Sir, which one,
Okay.
sir?
Which this part I'm saying, this one. Yes, Heron's by Heron's formula, what is the answer you're getting for this? This one, this value. On solving, what you're getting? 120 into 70 into 42 into 8.
Sir, yeah, sir, I got 2822400.
You are multiplying root. I'm asking root. You are multiplied, then you find root.
Yeah, root, sir, I got 1680.
You multiplied everything first, Vivek.
Yeah, sir.
What, man? If you multiply, means got. You are solving by calculator or what?
No, sir. Sir, no, sir. Like middle term splitting also I did. I mean, not middle term splitting. The
That is very
splitting
easy.
also
No?
I did, sir. But I don't
Split.
like that method. I'll always go by multiplication.
Multiply means go so long, it's very difficult to find again. 120, this is very easy, no? 120 is 60 into 2, then 7 into 10, then 6 into 7. This is very easy. Double, you make it double in only one, not more than 1 minute only. It will take time.
Sir, no, sir. Like from one last time, our question papers are maths question papers. So this don't. Like for one question, this type of question they gave for 5 marks, sir. I did the substitution wrong, all 5 marks gone. From that time, I stopped doing that split.
Oh, but this is more complicated now. If you multiply and do this.
Sir, it will become big, sir.
What?
It will become big if you multiply it.
4, 5 marks gone means you should do what, long method. And there only all mistake happened in multiplication. Then what do you do, Vivek? If
Then I'll go for splitting. No, sir, I'll double check it.
double check split, you double check once only you do in double this one, splitting the part. That is much easier, right?
Okay, sir, I'll follow it.
Because if you are just going to multiply, it will take long time. Again, it should take root. Root you are taking by which method? Division method or prime factorization method?
Prime factorization.
Prime factorization. Again, Bapre. Prime factorization will take means again it will take long time. Here is very easy. If you're doing prime factorization means you can just put ticking here. Only taking you should do. See what you should do for 120. I'll write here on the top. Suppose 60 into 2 you're writing, no? So right here, 60 into 2. Again, 70 for 70, what we can write? Into 10 into 7. 10 into 7. Into 42 means 6 into 7. Into what is can write 8. 4 into 2. Directly also you can do by directly minimum also can do.
Yes, sir.
This one again, what you can get? See 60 into 2 means say.
Sir, but this like when we split it, no, sir, pairing those numbers also it's somewhat tricky, sir. That's why.
Tricky. Oh, what tricky? This 2 and 2 is there. No, see, this is in root, right? 2 and 2
Sir.
put tick, and this is also 2 into 2, 4, right? The 4, how many times is there? 2 times, right? 4.
2.
2 times 4 repeated. 4 is here, and 2 and 2, 4 is here also. You take 4 outside. Understood? Now see, this 60 is what? 60 in 6 into 10. And here also 6 into 10 is there. 6 and 10. The 2 times coming to 10 into 6. Correct? Again, now you see 7 and 7 is 2 times into 7 over no. This much only should do.
Okay.
So 7 6 are 42. 42 into 4 is 176. So 1760. This only you are getting, right?
Sir, 1680, no, sir.
4 4 is 16. 42 into 4, right? See 4 into 10 into 6 into 7, right? This only you are getting, no? 1 minute, let me check. So this is coming same only. 7 6 are 42, 42, 176 only will come. 4.
Sir, 42
4 to the
into
8.
4 to the 8, no, sir. And 4 4 the 6.
Acha, 4 to the 8 and 6. Okay, 1680, correct. So see, you are getting, no? This how much time this is taking? Not more than 1 minute also. If you do by division with the prime factorization, means there somewhere chances are more to do wrong in prime factorization, big number. Correct,
Yeah.
no? So last part you are getting the parallel sides of the trapezium. This one, the parallel sides of a trapezium is 77 and 60 meters, and non-parallel sides are 26 and 25.
Sir, sir, can we do the construction in that diagram, sir? I just constructed.
Yeah. Construction should
And
do
I made
only.
it as a parallelogram, and then I found out the area.
That is the only method to do that.
Oh yeah, sir. Then what is hard in that?
You got the answer? Anybody who got the
Yes,
answer
sir.
for this?
I'm getting some.
Pulastya, you?
Doing, sir.
Like this figure will come, children. Just try to understand here. See, parallel sides are 70 and 60 and 70. So 60 will be this one, 60 meter. And this whole part is 70. Down whole part is what? 70 meters. Next one is your non-parallel sides are 26 and 25. So this is 25 centimeters, so 25 meters. And other one is 26 meters. Find the area of trapezium. The parallel sides is 60 and 70, and non-parallel sides is 26 and 25. All right.
Yes.
Now we can find 60, 70, 25, 26. So you have to do construction over here. Children, try to understand area of trapezium means what is the formula of area of trapezium? Half into sum of parallel sides means A plus B into distance between them. This is the formula of trapezium, right? Saritvik?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the height that we don't know, and this is your, you can just draw this from your side only. So A and B we know here, right? A is your 60 and B is 70. So if you know height, you can find the easily this height and this whole thing, right? Saritvik,
Yes, sir.
how to find this?
Sir, half into A plus B into H means we can first do half into A plus B.
Huh.
So that would be half into 130/65
Okay.
into H.
That H only you want to know. H,
Yes,
you know
sir.
the how to find H. That you know means you can do the question easier.
So I'm not sure how to find H. I'll do it now.
Find H. Pulastya, you can find H. Shriyanvi. Shriyanvi.
Still finding it out, sir.
How to find the height?
Sir, sir,
Say Pulastya.
won't it be 26 square minus 5 square at the root of that?
20,
Root
which
of
one?
26.
Height. Root of
Yes.
26 square minus 5 square.
Yes.
How? This is 5. You meant to say this is
That's
5.
because
Sir, I'm
70
getting
minus
that is
60
10.
will be 10 and then it will be half
Yes.
because that is
yes.
B will be of
isosceles.
60 only, no, sir, the base.
1 minute.
I mean, it's a parallelogram, no.
Yeah, see, this is parallelogram. No, if this is 60,
Yeah.
Vivek. So this line we have made, right? This line is parallelogram. We just made like this.
Yeah, sir.
So from here to here is 60 only, right?
Yeah, sir, exactly.
So this part is 10. And what Pulastya is telling, he's telling from F to C. So this is half of 10 because it's isosceles triangle, right?
Yes.
This is not isosceles, Pulastya. The whole thing
Sir,
is 10
Oh,
only.
okay, it's not isosceles. I thought it was.
No. This is 25. So this is 25, but this is 26. You can't take half of it, Pulastya. Okay, so this you can't do. This is wrong. This whole part is 10. But what, Pulastya? But base you can't take in 2 equal halves. So any other method? Can you tell any other method to find this?
sir, we have to find out the height, right? I mean, the BF. Sir.
Only H only you find means the answer will come. We have just think that we have to find height. How to find height? It's very easy. All concept we have read before only.
Sir, we'll find out the area of the triangle and then,
Which triangle?
I mean, the BEC one.
Achha, this BEC you are saying, no?
Yes.
You can find same formula we have to use. What this concept we have done earlier also. The same concept we have done earlier, but we are not utilizing. A, this is B, this is C, this one is E, this one is F, this one is D. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So all of you can find the area of BEC, right? Triangle BEC area you can find, children. We can do by 2 methods.
Yes.
One by Heron's formula and one by half base into height. Is it clear, Sai Ritvik, what we have done earlier?
Yes, sir. I understood.
What we have done in the previous sum, that same thing we have done now. Nothing was extra from this. Same thing we have done earlier also.
Yes, sir. I found the length of FC.
Length of,
FC, sir. I found the length of FC.
what is the length of FC here?
Sir, I'm getting it as 5. I mean 10, sir. 10.
E to C is 10, no, Sairitvik? Sairitvik, E to this is 10, no? E to
Sir,
C
how
is
is
10.
that?
Because see, this line is parallel line, right?
Yes, sir. What I was thinking is
Hmm.
D to C is 70, right? 70.
Where is 70? B to C is not 70.
D to
Where?
C, sir. D to C was given.
D to C is 70. You are saying
Yes,
B
sir.
to C.
No, sir. D to C is 70 and A
Huh.
to B is the same as D to F.
D to, not F, D to C, D to E actually.
Oh, okay, okay. Then,
Because see here, see, this is a parallel line you are putting, no?
yes,
So
sir.
this still here,
Miscalculation.
this still here only will come, no? This is 60.
Okay, sir. Understood.
So this whole part will be 10. You can find by Pythagoras this one, no? Heron's
Yes,
formula.
sir. That was my mistake, so I got wrong answer.
So 25, 26, and this is 10, correct? So here, whatever the answer you're getting here should be equal to half base into height. So what is base into height? Base is your 10 and height you have to find. You can do it or not? Can you find this? Area of triangle VEC is equal to, once you find by Pythagoras, Heron's formula, once you find by half base into height. Here only height is unknown. You can find height, Vivek.
Sir, sir, one
Say.
second. Sir, in the question, it is saying the sides of a trapezium is 77 and 60.
Oh, 77. No, that's why we done mistake.
77, sir.
Okay, then 60 with this one, then 17 is this part, right?
Yeah, sir. We all.
17, correct. 17 only. It's not 6, 7, 70, 77.
Sir, so this by Heron's formula, we'll get it as 204. And then if we do half into base into height and all, the height, I mean, the BF is 24, sir.
Yeah, and just Vivek, what is the answer coming now? Just check.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, I'm getting the area of the trapezium as 1644.
1644. 1 minute, let me check. Yeah, it's correct. What is the height? Height first, you tell me height.
Sir, the height is 24.
Okay, children, all of you find the height is 24 or not. Just find all of you.
Got it, sir. 24.
Height is 24 means you can put the value easily half
Yes,
into,
sir. 65 into 24.
not 65, half sum of parallel sides, side big. Acha, that you are doing, fine. Into 24, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then you can solve and get the answer. So this is the hardest sum of your class 9th actually. This is the hardest sum of your class 9th. Nothing apart from this they'll ask in Heron's formula. Okay, children, you can leave for the day. Okay, practice more and more questions. If you're having doubt, you ask. Vivek?
Okay, sir.
Okay, we can leave now.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.